जय हिंद दोस्तों। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, हम भी है तैयार सीना लिए अपना इधर, खून से खेलेंगे होली गर वतन मुश्किल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
भुज एयरबेस पर पाकिस्तानी वायुसेना ने जोरदार हमला करके रनवे और एयरबेस दोनों तोड़ दिए।
हमने चुने कुछ अलग ही रास्ते, गई तो गई।
पाकिस्तानी सेना को
3 दिसंबर 1971 श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी और that time Prime Minister was giving one political speech at a political rally in Brigade Ground at Kolkata. When she was about to give her speech, one security personnel came on the stage and gave her one confidential letter. After looking at that confidential letter, she decided to cancel all the political meetings and she took one written flight from Kolkata to Delhi for an emergency cabinet meeting in Delhi. After doing emergency cabinet meeting, she came on All India Radio of Prasar Bharati at 12 in the midnight and she said that the Pakistan Air Force has attacked more than 11 airstrips of our country, including Bhuj and Anandpur, on 3rd December 1971. So the war was started and she said that the victory will be for the Indian Armed Forces and people of this country. The 1971 war was started on 3rd December 1971.
का कोई तो रास्ता होगा।
एक ही रास्ता
मराठा सिर्फ तो ही बात जानता है, मारना या मरना।
कबीरा, क्यों जंग का ऐलान है? आज खुदा खुद परेशान है।
भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा है, किसी की जान बचाने के लिए की गई हिंसा धर्म है।
आओ हम सब मिलकर खुद से वादा करें,
विक्रम से टेक ऑफ करने वाले हैं।
पाकिस्तानी सेना 100 टैंकों की रेजिमेंट के साथ 1800 सैनिक लेकर रात 11 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे।
पाकिस्तान का परचम।
अब कच्छ और भुज की सुरक्षा आप ही के हाथों में।
हमें अपनी पोजीशंस चेंज करनी है।
War was started on 3rd December 1971. Even though it was started on 3rd December 1971, do you think that we were not knowing that Pakistan is going to attack us? We had all the intelligent information that the Pakistan is going to attack us. If you want to know more about it, you have to go 6 months prior, on 25th of April 1971. Srimati Indira Gandhi had a cabinet meeting with General Sam Manekshaw, who was the field marshal, and that time she said that you go for attack on the East Pakistan side so that the people of East Pakistan or Bangladesh can be saved from the slaughter of Pakistani army. But General Sam Manekshaw said that we need more time of more than 5 to 6 months so that we can prepare ourselves and we can go for a war and for the victory. So our army was waiting for a right time to attack on Pakistan. So we were waiting from last 6 to 7 months so that the Pakistan start the war and we will end the war. So on 3rd December 1971, when Pakistan launched Operation Genghis Khan by attacking more than 11 airstrips of our country, we decided to retaliate. What was the plan of Pakistan? Pakistan's plan was to disconnect Kutch region from the other parts of our country so that they can capture maximum area in Kutch and they can negotiate with Indira Gandhi on the table when our army captures the biggest part of East Pakistan. So that was the plan. They launched air strikes by attacking more than 32 times on 14 airstrips. In 14 days they attacked more than 90 times on Bhuj airstrip. The whole airstrip was destroyed and it was a horrendous task of keeping that airstrip operational with the help of more than 300 women of the nearby village called as Madhapur. 300 courageous women came forward and they repaired the airstrip so that the Indian Air Force can operate from that airstrip and attack on Pakistan side. So because of that horrendous and courageous work of our squadron leader Vijay Kumar Karnik, who was the chief commanding officer at the Bhuj airstrip, was the person who kept that airstrip operational in spite of continuous bombing by Pakistani Air Force. There is also one character which we need to remember, that is Ranchhod Das Pagi. Now what is Pagi? Pagi is the person who shows you path in the desert, and Ranchhod Das Pagi or Ranchhod Das Rabari was born in Banaskantha district of Gujarat, was recruited at the age of 59 in the Indian Army, and he was a special post was also created by General Sam Manekshaw for that one person, that is Ranchhod Das Pagi. He recruited at the age of 59 and he was retired at the age of 102, and recently he died at the age of 112. So he has given his whole life for this country, to save this country. Now the character of Vijay Kumar Karnik was played by Ajay Devgan, and a character of Ranchhod Das Rabari or Ranchhod Das Pagi is played by Sanjay Dutt.
ताजमहल प्यार की निशानी
तो हिंदुस्तान तेरे बाप की कहानी है।
जब तक भुज एयरफील्ड पर विजय कार्णिक रनवे रिपेयर नहीं कर लेते, तब तक हमें दुश्मन को रोकना होगा।
या खुदा, तेरी अदालत में मेरी एक जमानत रखना। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, मेरे हिंदुस्तान को सलामत रखना।
है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली, घर वतन मुश्किल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
जब तक सूरज चंदा चमके तब तक ये हिंदुस्तान रहे।
आज इसी हिंदुस्तान के लिए हमें लड़ना है, और अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो बलिदान देना है।
जिस दिन लड़ाई जीतूंगा उसी दिन पगड़ी पहनूंगा। भारत माता की जय।
मेरे मरने का मातम मत करना, मैंने खुद ये शहादत चुनी है। मैं जीता हूं मरने के लिए, मेरा नाम है सिपाही।
Now once you go through this movie, you understand, even though the story was really good, but they were not able to present it in a perfect manner on the screen. I feel that if this movie was released on theater, it would have been a biggest box office grosser. But as a general reviewer, as an audience review, I am going to give this movie more than 2.5 stars out of 5, and this is a good movie. It is a theoretical movie, but if you want to watch, you can watch it on Hotstar. It's available freely, you can watch it. It's a good movie and you can enjoy it. Jai Hind.